Welcome on in. Uh-oh. You guys, this is my first live event, and I'm happy to be bringing you Made to Shine today. So, hey, let's get it going. Let's get it. I wanted to start off with some nice music for you guys. I didn't have it queued up. I'm sorry. But we're going to get it going right now. All right. That's not it. I don't know what happened. Guys, please excuse me. I'm trying to do my best here. I don't know what happened. I think it skipped the song that I really wanted to play. But here it is right here. There we go. There we go. Mary J. You can't go wrong with Mary J. And I'm just going to play this right now. It makes me want to, woo! Good morning. So I'm just going to wait for some of the members to come on in. This is my intro. Just going to wait for everybody to come on in. What is going on with this weather in Atlanta? It was warm a couple of days ago. I got excited. But this weather today, though, is cold out here. Give you guys a little bit of time to come on in and join me. Time to rise and shine. We're going to be getting made to shine today. I'm a shower and car singer, but I do my best. This is my song, though. This is my jam. Hey, if it's raining, regardless. Woo. Okay. Hey, well, I'm going to go ahead and get started, you guys. Okay? Because we don't want to waste any time. Okay. Welcome. My name is Lanita Smith, and I am your go-to beauty consultant for great cosmetics and skincare. So today, the event, of course, it's called Made to Shine, and we're going to get made to shine. Welcome in. Thank you for joining me this morning. And like I said, we're about to get made to shine. What I'm doing with hosting this event is I am relaunching my beauty consultant business, my artistry beauty consultant business, and I'm so glad that you decided to join me on this journey. Hey, Mama, thank you for coming in. But I'm so glad that you decided to join me on this journey in launching my artistry beauty business. The artistry beauty products are some of the, what I believe, best products on the planet, and they just keep getting better. And I just recently decided to relaunch and introduce them again to the world in a different way on social media, which is, it's really not my comfort zone, but I'm going to go with it. So I said this year I was going to be intentional about a lot of things, and one of those things is my business, my artistry business. Good morning, sister. Hey, thank you for joining me this morning. I'm so excited. But my goal is to make you aware of the artistry brand. Good morning, mother-in-law, Sandria Smith. Hey, thank you for joining me this morning. But like I said, it's my goal to make you aware of, if you're not already aware of, the awesome artistry products, and make them come alive through these live events. That's what I'm going to be doing, hosting these live events every other Saturday, just to bring you some new, fresh makeup ideas and we're going to get started. But before we get started, if you could do me a favor and hit that share button, because we don't want your friends to miss out on any of this great information. Okay? So, with that being said, what I'm going to be doing today is shining a spotlight on 3 awesome products. The first one is the Artistry Ideal Radiance Illuminating CC Cream. That's the first one. Great product. The next product is going to be our Artistry Light Up Lip Gloss. I'm going to demonstrate all of these products to you. And the last one is going to be the Artistry Studio Edition, New York edition of an Illuminating Light Up Compact. So I'm going to get started here with these 3 products. The first product is the Illuminating CC Cream, and it is actually a tinted moisturizer. And I'm going to go ahead and start applying it to my skin. I got the medium tint. So this is the Artistry. I'm just going to put a little bit on my face here. CC Cream, and I'm going to talk a little bit about it as I put it on. What it is, it's a tinted moisturizer. And what it's going to do is it's a color correcting formula that it brightens and protects the skin at the same time. So it's going to blend on in. And I'm just applying it with my hands. You can use an applicator if you like. But it's going to color correct and brighten, and it also protects the skin. It gives you a really pretty, even skin tone. Okay? And it gives you a sheer to medium finish. A very sheer to medium finish, especially for people who don't like to wear a lot of makeup. This will even out your skin tone. And it also provides sun protection because it has SPF 50 in it to protect your skin from the sun, harmful rays. So I'm going to move on here and quickly apply the CC Cream. Illuminating. This is a great product to have in your repertoire to add to what you're already using because, like I said, it is a moisturizer. So it's adding moisture to your skin. You can use it as a base, or you can wear it alone if you're in a hurry and you don't want to put on a full face of makeup. This CC Cream is awesome. And as you can see, it's blending right into my skin. Giving me, you can probably already tell that it's giving me a even more evened out skin tone, and I just love it. It's a great product. My skin is a lot more, it's a lot brighter and evened out. So, and you can put as much or as little of it on as you like. Like I said, it gives you a sheer to medium finish coverage, and I'm just going to add a little bit more because I have a little bit of discoloration in my skin, and I want to even that skin tone out all the way. Okay, so I have applied the CC Cream, and I know you can tell, you know, my skin is a lot more even tone, a lot less discoloration going on here. Okay, so that's the Illuminating CC Cream. Awesome product. And I have included my website in the title, so if you want to try these products, I'm going to tell you, well, really, you could just put the name of the product in the search bar. You can put CC Cream, and it'll come up. You'll be able to get more information on it and also to order. And the next product I'm going to share with you is one of my favorites. It's the Artistry Light Up Lip Gloss. This product is so great. I'm going to share a little bit of information about the product. It comes in 8 very pretty colors. Today I'm going to be showing you the Real Red. It's enriched with jojoba and avocado oil. So it provides a very moisturized finish and a vibrant shine. And so in light of Valentine's Day, I'm going to be sharing the Real Red. And what it comes with is a LED light applicator. See that? That's great. A LED light applicator and a mirror. There's a mirror on the tube. So when you're in a situation where you have to put on makeup and it's dark, you don't have to worry about pulling out a compact or a mirror or anything. You could just take this and apply it. I'm using the mirror. And this lip gloss, I'm going to tell you, it feels really good on. It has a smooth finish. It feels very smooth and rich. It's not tacky or sticky when it goes on. It's a pretty color. It has a tint of color. You can wear it on top of any color that you like to make your own signature color. I like to mix my lipsticks and lip glosses to make my own colors. Or you can wear it alone and just rock the red. And it gives you a sheer to medium finish as well. Feels real good on your skin. And it has a hint of vanilla scent to it. But that jojoba oil and the avocado oil moisturizes your lips a lot. So you'll get a very great moisturizing effect. Voila! Real Red in the Artistry Light Up Lip Gloss. This is one of my favorite products. And all of the colors are really, really pretty. You can, out of the 8 colors, you can get, along with your lip color, you can get several colors. It's endless. And the last product I'm going to share with you is, I'm excited about this line of products called Artistry Studio Edition. The line came out in September or October, and it came out with the New York City edition. And the line, basically, it takes you on a journey. Right now, they've gone from New York to Paris. They've introduced this spring the Parisian edition. So I'm going to be talking a lot more about that in the coming days and weeks. But the line is awesome, and I picked up on a few of the products when the New York edition came out, and this one I really like. It's and I never tried these type of products before. It's a light up compact. This is the compact, and it's a highlighter. It has 3 different colors in it, but also just like the light up lip gloss, when you're in a dark place, you can light this compact up. It has LED lights on both sides. So you can use it in a dark place, it doesn't matter. But I'm just going to share with you how you can use it on a daily basis just to bring a little bit more shine to your skin. But this is, like I said, one of the newest products. And you can use, it's 3 different colors here. There's a white color, a pinkish color, and a golden color. So you use it to add shimmer and shine to your face, to the places that light hits your skin, like your cheekbones. And I'm just gonna add a little bit here. Like I said, I've never really used these type of products, highlighters, but they work awesome to add a little shine. I'm just gonna add a little bit on my cheekbone. Kind of blend it in. You know, you have to blend the products. Blend, that's the name of the game. But as you can see, it adds a little shimmer to your cheekbones. You know, I like it. And you know, you can use your blush as usual, but this is just going to be added to the top of your cheekbone to give you a little shine. Because that's what we're doing today. We're getting made to shine. I like it too, Destiny. I really like this. And you can put it on your cheekbones. You can also put it here on your, I forget what they call this, up under the top of your lip. You know, and of course blend it in. Especially if you have, like, you know, a little mustache shadow like some women do, myself included. So it kind of gives you a little shimmer. You can put it on your collarbones. I'm going to add a little bit of the gold to my eyelid. So you can use it as a eyeshadow, you know. Add a little bit of that gold. I'm getting ready to shine, 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 get made to shine. Of course, you want to blend it in, but this gives you like a little shimmer. You can wear it alone or also with other eyeshadow colors. Okay, and these are the only products I'm using on my skin today. I don't have any eyeliner, any mascara, anything. But just with these few products, you can shine. You can also, I think one of the other suggestions is to use this light color, the lighter up here in this area of your eyelid, just to kind of pop, give some pop to that part of your eye. And you know, you can use this very versatile. You can use it how you want to use it. But I think I was a little shy using it. I didn't even put a lot on there because I was a little hesitant. But I like it. So you can use it alone or with your favorite eyeshadows. So like I said, these are great products to add to your current repertoire of beauty products and cosmetics. I'm very excited to introduce them to you. And I'm so glad that you decided to join me today. So, like I said, this is my debut live event. I don't know how great I am at doing it, but I'm glad you guys decided to join me. And now we can all go out and walk the runway of our life, because we are fearfully and wonderfully made. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the products. Like I said, if you want to go and try these products yourself, visit my website, and you can put in the search bar CC cream for the illuminating CC cream. You can put in the search bar lip gloss or light up lip gloss for the light up lip gloss, or I'm going to give you the item number for the illuminating light up compact. The item number is 122099. So that's how you can find it. Don't I shine bright today? Don't I look kind of, you know, made to shine? Thank you guys for joining me, and you have a great day.